Guys, tell me you're Jamaican without telling me you're Jamaican. Rep, 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 rep.
Sweet boy. The Betty milk.
What the hell is that? And
So, okay, right? I'm gonna like move away, hide my eyes, not look, and you're gonna choose a
look away.
yes, you're gonna choose a grade, and then then you're gonna tell me when to turn around. I'm gonna turn around, and you're gonna turn around and close your eyes. I'm gonna choose a grade, and we start, and then you say, don't eat your own grade, because you will poison yourself. So if you're trying to get me poison, I'm trying to get you poison. It's not me. We don't know. I don't know which one you pick as a poison one, and you don't know which one I pick. No, you know, take it up here, just point at it, or just point at it. I don't hear what sound it comes from. Just point at it, which one is poison. You know what I'm saying? I'm explaining to you.
just say you're going to look away, and I'm going to point at which one is poison. Then you're going to turn around and take it.
No, I'm not going to take it up. We're going to eat until one is until.
Oh, until you eat the poison one. Oh.
And then, but also, I'm also make it's 2 plus 1 because I'm also one.
I need to do one, right?
And we're going to
So
eat
we'll
until.
eat the poison one.
Yeah.
Right, you got me.
Okay. I turn it on first. Or you want to turn it on first? Turn it on. Okay.
So eat now. Time to eat.
You're safe. Bro. That's you're supposed to tell me if I'm safe or not.
Yeah, you're safe. You're safe.
Oh, you're safe.
You're safe.
I'm in that
So you give that look what like it. So we put at the grip.
Cause y'all don't pop me, so we don't like my y'all don't pop me.
When you put the paint good.
This one.
So you could put at grapes. No. Could you put back the one that you choose?
If I never eat it, yeah. Oh, you're safe. Oh wait, I should put you safe after you eat it.
You're safe.
Oh, you don't go. I thought you were.